Welcome back, guys. This is KOK Party Favors. We're now ready to add our paper flowers to our paper lantern. And this is a yellow 12-inch paper lantern. And I'm going to be designing this lantern for an outdoor garden party. So I already cut a lot of flowers on my Cricut. So I have a lot of different colors. I have flowers and butterflies that I'm going to be adding to the paper lantern. These are some honeysuckle flowers that I rolled with my glue stick. I used the glue stick to kind of roll the petals to add some dimension to them. So we're going to be adding. So I'm just going to start. And I think I'll start first with placing this butterfly. I'll get my glue gun here. And it's just going to be random placement of different items until I feel like I have it where I want it. Okay. It's tedious when you're putting these rhinestones in the center of these flowers, but it's so pretty when you finish. The machine has been cut non-stop for a while just to get all these flowers and butterflies cut. Okay, I'm going to add some green here. Removing my strings from the glue gun. Okay. I have this pretty chevron butterfly here. I'll place him up here. I'll leave one wing loose and just adhere this one. Okay. I also have some purple here I want to add. And there's no right or wrong to this design. You just pretty much place your colors and different flowers wherever you see fit. And if you know garden parties, there are a lot of florals and an abundance of colors. So I just got out my cardstock and went to cutting. Okay. I'm just adding these little rhinestones just randomly in places. The sun will be reflecting some good light off of those little rhinestones too. butterfly. And I started to decorate it with it being flat, but I didn't think I could get the same effect of seeing how things are going to be placed. So I thought I'd just open it up and let's see what happens. Come back, little lantern, come back. I have my fan blowing, so that's why it's the paper lantern is trying to get away from me. So I'm going to try to have most of the areas covered, so that as it's blowing in the wind, you'll be able to see some decorations from any angle. These are much smaller. Over here. I have to turn my fan off too, so I can keep my little lantern from flying around. All right, I think that's going to make that a little bit more stable there without that fan. It's doing good. All my flowers are staying on while it's rolling all over the place, so that's a good sign. That's a really good sign. Okay. I think we're doing good because we got a lot of area covered here. A butterfly. Got this covered. Oh, that one has some glue on it. Can't use that. Just fold that a little bit. Put this at. Here's the top. Okay, so I think we did good with this one. I think every angle you're going to be able to see some decor on the paper lantern. Okay guys, I think that went really pretty. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to decorate the smaller ones. Okay, so here's a better picture. And it's just going to be twirling in the wind. Give you a good view of it. Okay, now we'll go with the smaller version. Okay, here's the smaller version. We're going to start on it. Let's see here. I think that'll hold it better. Okay. We're coming along good here, guys. Just random placement. These are going to be gorgeous at the party. gorgeous. And here's some more. These don't have any rhinestones in the center. Another color on there. I think that's pretty. Add that. Okay, it's looking good, guys. Looking good. Right. Get some of this excess glue off here, guys. And then what I'll do at the very end, I'm going to go over all of the flowers and leaves and pull all my strings off. Because I know these glue strings are going to be everywhere. There's just no way around it. Okay, guys, I think this is going to be it for the 8-inch paper lantern. They all came out so beautiful. Okay, guys, that's the end of this paper lantern tutorial. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Here's the larger one again. There's the smaller one next to it. They came out beautiful, beautiful. Came out really, really nice and colorful. These will be hanging. They're going to make a great addition to the garden party. I'm going to make several more. But I just want to share this craft with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. And I will see you guys at the next video.